Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are going to see that what are the tech trends in 2024. So like there are many creators are making video that these coding languages we have to learn in 2024 and this tech stack you have to follow in 2024. So what are the things that you have to follow or what to not? Because I assume that there is 90% chance or 70% people are just deciding their career according to the YouTube videos, because people just have their doubts and they goes on YouTube and just search that what is the best language in 2024, and the videos popped up, and let's say he said JavaScript is the best language in 2024 because various users or industry or the surveys of Stack Overflow can tell that JavaScript is the best language. That's why you have to learn JavaScript. So is this a right thing? Is this a good thing, or is this the way that you have to decide your future? So let's talk about those things, because these things are really like important things in your career. Because when you are selecting these things, I guess these things are not even matter in long run, because the language you are learning, the framework you are learning is not going to help you lifelong, because that is a tool. But while learning this tool, you have to understand that you are going to you are giving the time, and if you are wasting your time, that it is like not a good deal for a long term. So that's why I'm saying that take a decision. I don't have my opinion that don't take a decision, just think that what is the best language, and unless you find the best language, stay on where you are. No, I'm not saying that, but decide your opinion not because some on YouTube videos. Just think about on yourself. So how to think and what to think and where to start. So in this video I'm going to sort your brain, like what is industries going on and what are industries demanding and what is YouTube demanding, and everything that you have to understand while learning. Because while we learning, we have to trust the process. This is a very depth and in-depth like sentence, trust the process. Because whenever we start anything, like we start anything like learning Python, learning JavaScript, learning DSA, learning C++, anything we have learning, we have to trust the process until it get done. We have to trust the process. That's why before following the process, before jumping into the process, we have to understand that we have the right process in front of us. So in this video, let's understand what is going on in tech industry and what I see. Like it's all my perspective, it's all my opinion. It's not like I'm वकालत कर रहा हूँ किसी की, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. So let's see what's going on YouTube. First of all, many peoples are just relying on the YouTube, because we thought that the creators are YouTube are the only creators or the only people which is available for us, which is available, or they have the all knowledge. We think that the creators on YouTube have all knowledges because they are created channels and they have millions of subscribers. That's why we think that they gives a right knowledge, and many times they give us the right knowledge or the knowledge that they have. But there are many ways to figure out all the stuff. That is YouTube is not the only way. First of all, whenever you are trying to, like, wherever you are finding the solution, just find the resources, right? Resources are like, if I want to start any language. So first of all, let's jump onto the language topic, because many video I saw that on internet that best language in 2024, and JavaScript is the best language, Python is the best language. What is the best route? Like web development, app development, development, DSA and all. DSA and development, DSA versus development is a lifelong matter. I don't find a conclusion around it, but let's see what happens. So all these confusions are going because all this is for views. Yes, all these topics, all this content is for views. Anyone can predict this. From outside also, you also predict that all the YouTubers can put their videos on on those topics, because these topics are like catchy topics. Like juniors or the starting people or the people who are confused can definitely click on those topics and watch the complete video without knowing that what they have to do or how to take a decision. So first of all, before you are taking the decision, take a decision that why you want to code, why you want to start coding. Just because they have a job, just because you get a package. I'm telling this point from very depth of my heart, because many people start coding, but those peoples who have really passion about coding or who just really love to code, they can go forward. Because many people stop coding because they don't find it entertaining. They don't love coding. That's why they just end up learning anything and just stop. The the passionate one or the enjoyer. Like if someone love to make websites, and just they can go all and all. Just like I discover myself, because before 12th I don't know even what is computer science and what to do in computer science, but after I introduced to the web development, I build website, and I can't even imagine. So that's why you want to code is the best question, and the first question you have to think. Because when you love to code, then it will be very easy to pick any framework or any language, because after all there is like 1 to 2 month at least required. Like at max you need to learn anything in programming, like anything. In 1 to 2 months you can learn any technology, any tech stack, anything. I'm saying anything. So that's why you don't have to put your pressure on what to learn, unless you figure out that why to learn, because why to learn is most important. So when you understand that I want to make a like for example, I'm not confusing you, just take my example. I want to start coding just for to make a company. I want to build a company. I want to start a startup, but not right now. But for that startup, what I required a skill to make such things. How to make such things? Website, web apps. What should I have the resources to create an application? Like, is my PC or is my system is capable to run a Android Studio code? No, Android Studio is not run in simple machine. They want high end PC. Back then I don't have high end PC. That's why I jump into the web development. And just I enter in the web development, I see that in few minutes, in few hours, I made website that people can visit and see my website and see my project. It's amazing, and I liked it. That's why I jump into the web development and just start coding. And now I'm into front end, I'm into back end, I'm into full stack. So it's very smoother after that. Because when you find this particular niche, that where you want to play, what is your playground, that it's very easy to play. You just have to think, and you just have to go on. You just have to stick. Like today, if I am learning JavaScript, only focus is in my life is just JavaScript. You don't have to think about anything like on that, after that why, after that what. No, because my path is very clear. So that's why before you are starting, before you are jumping into any language, any material, you just have to think that is this my path, is this my process? Because you have to trust that process. So that's why before concluding that what you want to learn, understand why you want to learn. So if you understand your goal, there are many types of goals. Like you have to earn money, you want to get a job for money, it's definitely fine. So that's why there are many fields that you can definitely earn faster, earn quickly, and you are start earning quickly compared to the other services. So you have to select a path that is compatible with you. So first of all, why you want to code is very important. If you want to build a startup, if you want to build a company, then development is the right path. If you want to sharpen your software skill, and you don't know that whether I am good at that and good at this, start using DSA. And first of all, DSA and development is the other video topic, because many creators are just fighting on the internet that DSA and development. I have my own particular different view, so that's why I will make the separate video on this topic as well. But my first topic is the which language you have to follow. So first of all, there are many types of resources you can follow. First of all, watch the YouTube videos. First of all, when you are watching YouTube videos, don't watch all the videos. Just find 2 to 3 channels which are you trust upon, and just watch their videos. And if 3 out of 2 videos says that this language is best, get the language done and just move on. If someone says that C or C++ is your first language, then go ahead. Don't worry, you don't regret it. No one regret that this is my first language and what else I do, or मैंने तो पहले ये start किया था. नहीं भाई, start it and just move forward. If you want to learn next thing, you can learn in 1 to 2 months. There is no, and if you learn one language already, the next language is 10 to 15 days. Yes, 10 to 15 days. If I learn C++, then if I want to learn Java, I just require 10 to 15 days. Yes, and I'm already learned. I definitely learned Java. That is not a hard thing for me if I learn already one language. So you don't have to worry about that which language I have to learn, and then what if I learn this thing, and if this thing is higher priority, then what to do. No, you don't have to create mess around your brain, because initially if you know nothing, then definitely it's a chance that you are creating bubble inside you. Don't create that bubble. Just think that whichever technology I put or I grasp, I just have to trust that technology. Like if I'm starting with C++, I just have to give my best to learn this C++ in 2 to 3 months. Yes, in 2 to 3 months you definitely learn C++. If you are a slow learner like me, I also get 3 to 4 months to learn this technology, which is completely fine. Trust the process and trust yourself. First of all, figure out who you are first. Like if you are from tier 3 colleges, tier 2 colleges, and you are watching the videos creators who are from the tier 1 colleges, then definitely their method, their approach is not applicable for you. You have to design your own approach, your own process for yourself. And this works for me as well. I consider myself as a slow learner. Why? Because I don't have any high IQ that I grasp everything, because like it's just a natural and it's a normal thing that everyone is not high IQ thing. But if you understand that yes, I have a problem and I have to work on it, then it's very easy, trust me, it's very easy. And don't worry, don't compete with any other that this person can learn things in 2 months and I required 3 months. No, you don't have to worry about it. You have your own enemy. Don't make anyone enemy. You are your own enemy, so fight with him, not with anyone. So just trust the process and start with any language. If you are asking me which language to start, if you are zero at coding, start with C and then C++. That's all. Now you get the answer. Now there is no confusion. Okay, so if you start with C++, or you have the questions that whether I should start from DSA or whether I should start from development, I personally think that development is not a starter pack for anyone. Like there is a starter pack, like HTML is a lot easier, CSS is a lot easier than any other technology, but in start I guess C++ is a good choice. C++ is a good choice. Why? Because in C++ there are various topics that you are learning in programming and that will help you forever. Like in any other language, these topics are repeatable. Like for example, for loop, while loop, do while loop, then if else statements. Like these little things can have significance in every language. Like in JavaScript, Python, Java, in every languages these topics are there. So you don't have to worry about the concepts that are like different from any other. Like there is no different concept, like 2 or 3 concepts are I guess different, but all the thing is same. So you don't have to worry, just syntax change. So after learning C++, now you have you have to take a decision whether you have to go in development or DSA. So there are multiple options. If you love the data, if you love love to extract something from data, go in the data analysis. And if you are confusing that if data analysis work or not, just start learning Python, because Python works anywhere. Python works in web development, Python learning data analysis, Python works in AI/ML, in everything. And first of all, if you are if you are from tier 3 city and like you don't have that much IQ, or you don't have that much resources, don't feel sad that I am just like that, because sometimes we just overhyped ourselves in our mind, but in reality we are nothing. So that's why I'm saying you that don't create a bubble inside you that you are a like genius guy and that you will done anything that in the CSE branch. No, there are various things that you will lack and you will not understand. So that's why figure out yourself, tell yourself that it's normal to understand, to not to understand. So that's why pick that field which are beginner friendly and that have lots of jobs. First of all, AI/ML. If you think, if you are confident and if you have that roadmap that after, if I am that student that I love AI/ML, I love to I'm very curious and I love to dive deep into the AI/ML because I'm very curious, that go and dive in it. But if you just have that idea that there is a chat GPT and there is all things are around AI, so that's why I'm bid on the AI system. No, you don't have to jump to this gambling. Just follow any one of generic route, because generic route can definitely कहीं ना कहीं तो पहुंचा ही देगा. But if AI/ML you choose, that it's all about there is no job. First of all, entry level, freshers level job. And if you are a person that is a slow learner or anything drawback in you, then definitely it's not gonna work for you. And it's not a sad reality, but it's a reality. So you have to work upon yourself. And if you are a first year student or starting students learner, then definitely just think about that you are not a genius person. You stay hungry, stay foolish is the best quote for you, because staying foolish is the only way to learn here. because asking everything, asking how browser work, how internet work, asking these foolish questions can definitely make you a good engineer. And after all, we all want to be a good engineer, good developer, and for that we required a passion. Generate passion inside you. Make things, because making things can tell you that you've done something, and after you've done something, you see that this is my product, and after like seeing that this is my product, and if you show this product to someone, you like it's like a magician. Like when magician reveals the trick, then he watch the faces, like he wants that expression, he is like hungry to those expressions. And just like that, you want that hunger, you need that hunger, that when someone saw my project, and what is his expression, you just have to be hungry like that. So that's why you follow the passion, generate the passion, not fashion, passion, and just work in it. And don't worry about our first language and anything. All the IT sector is like variable. There are many various roles, various job roles, various peoples are around here. You can definitely find whichever jobs you like. So don't hesitate to learn something that is like peoples are not doing. Do anything, but trust the process and do completely. Don't think that if I just overview these things and just move forward to next technology. No, creating the fundamental is very important. Why I'm saying that 2 to 3 months or 3 to 4 months is required to learning first language? Because if you understand the complete first language, then definitely it took like 1 week or 2 weeks to understand next language. So that's why I'm saying that learn any technology and learn it in depth is very important. If you are learning web development, DSA, depth is very very important. Make the depth and have patience, because like these words are very like motivating words, like patience and all, passion, but these are the real truth. Without passion, there is no engineer can succeed. So that's why I'm saying you that patience is required. If you want to build big thing, you need a patience. So that's why it says that Taj Mahal did not build in 2 to 3 days, but can hut or jhopdi can build in 2 to 3 days. Because why? The quality you spend, the quality you get. So that's why I'm saying you that spend the time. Don't create a bubble around you. Just one thing at a time, one step at a time, and then go from the another and think again. There is multiple. You don't have to think everything like in start. Like there is a roadmap that how to get a job, and just you are following the same roadmap until you get a job. No, you just start with the one language. After you learning one language, you have to think again that what I want, what I need to do. Then if you start anything, then after completing the next step, you have to again think that what I need to do, because this is the process. And around according to market, according to various parameters, you have to think regularly. And that's why don't stop thinking, don't stop researching, don't stop thinking. Take resources, done a research, and just go into this field and just work, just bow down your head and just work. Because one day you definitely have the confidence that I spent 2 to 3 years in this technology and I master it and I done it. Because this confidence can definitely build you, and building you is the only goal of your life. Philosophy. Sorry. So building you is definitely one of the goals of your life. So build you. Don't create a bubble around you that this video or this creator helps me. First of all, if you want to ask creators are busy. Just go on LinkedIn and find the people who are good at technologies, like who are working in Google, Microsoft, which are not on YouTube. You can definitely reach out to those people and text him that help me. I'm starting this and I'm starting that. Give me the roadmap. What to do? What you do? So all these things you can definitely email them. Take their email ID, ask them for internship, and there are many things apart from the YouTube. You don't have to rely only on YouTube, because creators are on YouTube are saturated. Like there are, like I'm not saying that YouTube market is saturated or anything, but the creators are very less on YouTube as compared to the people who are working in real companies. So that's why if you are not getting a reply from any YouTuber, so just text any employee and ask them for the technical insights that you want, and just pick any technology and work around it. Don't even spend one more day to finding that what is the best for me. Don't even spend one more day. Just start. Give 2 to 3 hours to figure out that what I need, what I want, and how do I start, where do I go, and just start. pick the best resources, and there is no best resources. First of all, if you are searching the best resource based course for C++, don't our life is not to find best resources. Our find is not to find the best peoples or just best things, right? Our life is for doing things and just let it go. Yeah, philosophy. So don't find the best things, best course, best language, best thing, best that. Don't go for the best, go for what you compatible are. Just go that you are loving, just do it and get forward, and one day definitely you will be the best. So this video definitely I hope can help you, because there I don't think that I put a lot of jargons in this video, but this is my first video and this is my approach, like while talking and while telling you. So I hope this approach you will like, and I think definitely this is like a long video. So let's see how your response, and according to your response I will make the next video on like for the first year student or for the students who are like dealing with the problems of this tech industry. And also I'm going to show you that how to start web development and what to exactly, which topics you don't have to miss in web development or any other field that I personally done it. So let's see you in the next video, and I hope this video will definitely help you. Watch this video because in single points I made a like in-depth verdict. So that's why watch the complete video, and if it will help you then definitely like this video, subscribe this channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.